Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the character growth special mission. So this is the new special mission, and this mission theme or the title of this mission is Strive for the Best in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So you can get some usable reward from this event. Let's get started by tapping the mission and tap the event. This one, Strive for the Best character growth special mission. So you can get this one total 10 dragonstone and 10 the elder kai, the kai, to level up your super attack. And also there are some the Hercules statue for the Zeni. For example, you have to Dokkan Awaken 3 character to get this reward. And clear any Super Strike event 5 times. Also, you can get this reward. And please do this event every day to get some reward. This is pretty useful for new player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.